The year 2025 has brought with it a wave of excitement for Bollywood music lovers, as the much-anticipated romantic track Dil Meherba Hai has finally been released. This enchanting song, featuring the charismatic Salman Khan and the ever-graceful Rashmika Mandanna, has already captured the hearts of millions. With its soulful melody, heartfelt lyrics, and stunning visuals, Dil Meherba Hai is set to become one of the most iconic romantic songs of the decade. Hush Hush Hush, a star-studded collaboration. The song brings together two of the biggest names in the Indian entertainment industry. Salman Khan, known for his magnetic screen presence and timeless appeal, pairs perfectly with Rashmika Mandanna, who has quickly risen to fame with her natural acting skills and captivating beauty. Their on-screen chemistry in Dil Meherba Hai is nothing short of magical, making it a visual treat for fans. The music for the song has been composed by the renowned A.R. Rahman, whose genius is evident in every note. The lyrics, penned by the talented Irshad Kamil, add depth and emotion to the melody, making it a perfect blend of romance and poetry. The combination of Rahman's music and Kamil's words creates a timeless piece that resonates with listeners on a profound level. Hush Hush Hush, a visual extravaganza. The music video for Dil Meherba Hai is a visual masterpiece, shot in some of the most picturesque locations around the world. From the serene beaches of the Maldives to the snow-capped mountains of Switzerland, every frame is a work of art. The director, Imtiaz Ali, known for his ability to tell heartfelt stories through his visuals, has outdone himself this time. The video beautifully captures the essence of love, longing, and togetherness, making it a feast for the eyes. Salman Khan, as always, delivers a powerful performance, effortlessly portraying the emotions of a man deeply in love. Rashmika Mandanna, on the other hand, brings a refreshing innocence and charm to her role, making her the perfect counterpart to Salman's intensity. Their chemistry is palpable, and it's hard not to get swept away by their love story. A melody that stays with you. The song itself is a beautiful blend of traditional and contemporary music. A.R. Rahman's signature style shines through, with a melody that is both soothing and uplifting. The use of instruments like the flute, violin, and piano adds a touch of elegance, while the modern beats give it a fresh, contemporary feel. The vocals, rendered by Arijit Singh and Shreya Ghoshal, are the cherry on top. Their voices complement each other perfectly, adding depth and emotion to the song. The lyrics of Dil Meherba Hai are poetic and meaningful, touching upon themes of love, devotion, and the beauty of relationships. Lines like Dil Meherba Hai, Ishq Deewana Hai, Tere Bina Kuch Bhi Nahi Hai, the heart is kind, love is crazy, without you, there is nothing, strike a chord with listeners, making the song relatable and heartfelt. A romantic anthem for the ages. In a world where love often takes a backseat to the hustle and bustle of daily life, Dil Meherba Hai serves as a gentle reminder of the power of love and connection. It's a song that speaks to the heart, evoking feelings of warmth, nostalgia, and hope. Whether you are in love or simply a fan of good music, this song is sure to leave a lasting impression. The release of Dil Meherba Hai has already created a buzz on social media, with fans praising the song for its melody, lyrics, and visuals. It's trending on all major music platforms, and the hashtag #HushDilMeherba is dominating Twitter and Instagram. Fans of Salman Khan and Rashmika Mandanna are especially thrilled to see their favorite stars together in such a romantic avatar. Conclusion. Dil Meherba Hai is more than just a song, it's an experience. With its soul-stirring music, heartfelt lyrics, and breathtaking visuals, it has all the makings of a classic. Salman Khan and Rashmika Mandanna's chemistry, combined with A.R. Rahman's musical genius and Imtiaz Ali's directorial brilliance, makes this song a must-listen and must-watch for 2025. As the song continues to win hearts across the globe, one thing is clear, Dil Meherba Hai is not just a romantic song, it's a celebration of love in its purest form. So, sit back, relax, and let this beautiful melody sweep you off your feet. After all, as the song says, Dil meherba hai, ishq deewana hai, the heart is kind, and love is truly magical.